Welcome, everybody. Looks like we have a full house tonight. Any chef that has the password to get through that door, they've got the talent to take you guys on. This week, I'm bringing in a chef that's taken the culinary world by storm. She got her initial culinary training in her hometown of Caracas, Venezuela. Before training with a chef I think you've heard of, Alain Ducasse. Probably the best chef in the world.
Heard of him.
You'll be cooking against Chef Adriana Urbina. There will be 3 head-to-head rounds, each against one of my Titans. The third round is worth double. First 2 rounds, it's always anyone's game.
Anything can happen.
Anything can happen. This is it. You have 40 minutes on the clock. You ready? Go. Michael, are you filleting the fish?
Yes, chef. Gonna go 1 raw preparation and 1 cooked. About all I can give you right now. Probably put some mangoes on the dish too, though.
Okay. Adriana, I saw you smiling. You doing the same thing?
Same thing,
Okay.
but different.
For my first dish, I'm gonna do a pan-sear snapper with a ajo blanco puree. The base of the soup is heavy cream, almonds, and garlic.
Just going for the jugular right off the bat, using the bacon.
I wanna add some smokiness and texture to this dish, so I'm adding bacon.
My brain would not have gone to bacon.
I've worked with snapper a lot. It's a fish that I actually love. The plan is to make the mango as important as the snapper, and thinking fish sticks and tartar sauce.
Mango tartar sauce, okay.
Okay, sounds good. Sounds great.
Chef, how you doing?
I'm doing great.
What is this sauce?
Green mango aguachile.
Can I taste it? No.
Yeah, of course.
Okay. So Adriana, she has got a lot going on. She has kohlrabi, beets, green mango, and ripe mango.
That's a lot of components.
It's a lot of components.
My plan is to roll the tartare in some form.
So I quickly refer back to an avocado roll that I made during my time working with Jose Andres.
This is some of the best cooking I've seen Michael do in a long time. Chef, you have a lot of things happening here.
But everything under control.
Okay. Smells good over here, huh? 10 seconds, you guys.
Let's go, Michael. Bring it on, baby. Bring it on.
Come on. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's it, you guys. That's it. Great job. Great job.
Good job.
Round 2, as you know, it has the same rules as round 1. Okay, guys, 40 minutes on the clock. Ready, Brooke? Go.
Let's go, Brooke!
Right? All right, I'm gonna go see what's going on.
Adriana's a beast. Like, she is extremely confident. Definitely competed before. She's
Yeah.
no stranger to that part of this.
Absolutely.
Round 2, Chef.
I'm
Round
feeling confident. I'm coming with everything.
2. Coming with everything.
I'm gonna do pan-sear scallops with an avocado guasacaca. I think it's in the middle of guacamole and salsa verde.
For my seared scallop, I'm making a fish sauce caramel.
What is this gonna go into?
So I'm gonna do a seared scallop
Yeah.
with just a touch of this sort of really vibrant
Smells amazing.
sauce. And then I've got a avocado mousse to go with the seared scallop.
Adriana's definitely focusing more on presentation this time.
She's really concentrating at this moment. You know, Brooke is as well, though.
Brooke, there's only 4 minutes left.
I'm doing the smashed avocado in a little ring mold. On top of that, I build my sliced cold raw scallops. I add my chilled tomato pepper water, and then I garnish the top of it with that ham masala.
It's insane what's going on here. 90 seconds to go.
I feel like I was very confident, and now I'm running out of time.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's it, guys. Stop your cooking.
This is stressful.
How'd you feel?
I think better than the last round.
You feel good?
Yes.
Okay. Adriana, Tiffany, this is the final round. Don't leave anything on the table. It's one single dish, and most importantly, double the points.
No pressure.
So anything is possible. Okay, Adriana, what is our round 3 ingredients?
Okay. Okay.
Can we have a team meeting?